Working with heavy metals is cumbersome and not easy every time you want to find an empty space to work on.
Laser Master. Master the laser.
The edge cut feature on the RAYCUT scans the material on the flatbed and finds the best space available, and then rotates the diagram to best fit that space, saving you the time and effort to do so manually, and in addition cutting back on leftover space. This feature is possible because the laser head includes a capacitive sensor, which also gives you automatic height adjustment to keep the cutting distance exactly the same throughout the entire process, even if the metal sheet wobbles because of the heat. This will save you a lot of headaches and result in much better quality compared to other machines without it. For more information, call sales on 060 600 6000.
Laser Master. Master the laser.
At AM.CO.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.